In this video we take a look at how to do the purl stitch. Stay with me and I'll show you how. I've cast on 10 stitches and I hold this needle in my right hand. For a purl stitch we bring the yarn to the front of our work. We take our left hand needle and we come through the first stitch from the front. We then wrap our yarn around the back of the left hand needle and we pull it through. We then pull this first loop off of the right hand needle and our first purl stitch is done. We come through the first stitch on the right hand needle from the front. We bring the yarn around the back of the left hand needle and we pull it through. And we pull that first loop off of the right hand needle. We come through the first loop on the right hand needle, bring our yarn around the left hand needle, pull it through and pull that first loop off of the right hand needle. We come through the first stitch on the right hand needle from the front, wrap our yarn around the left hand needle, pull it through and pull that first stitch off of the right hand needle. Through the first stitch from the front, wrap the yarn around the left hand needle, pull it through and pull the first loop off of the right hand needle. Through the first stitch from the front, wrap the yarn around the left hand needle, pull it through and pull the first stitch from the right hand needle. Through the stitch from the front, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull it through and pull off the stitch. Through from the front, wrap the yarn, pull through and pull off the stitch. Through from the front, wrap the yarn, pull it through and pull off the stitch. Through the front, wrap the yarn, pull it through and pull off the stitch. And that's how to do the purl stitch.